Hello, today I'm going to show you how to measuring your water hardness and of course set the water hardness of your DeLonghi Magnifica. Remove the total hardness test indicator paper attached to the wrapping about the hardness test. Immerse the paper completely in a glass of water for 1 second. That is enough time. Remove the paper from the water and shake lightly. After about 1, 2, 3 minutes, you can see the squares form, the red squares forming now, depending on the hardness of the water. That means in this case, in this video, it's hardness level number 1. Each square corresponds to one level. Okay, make sure the balance is off, but connected to the main electricity supply and with the main switch in the 1 position. This is the switch on the back side. Press and hold the water and zipping button for at least 5 until 6 seconds. And now you can see the 4 LEDs are on or off. That means the lights come on simultaneously. Press the Eco button to set the actual water hardness. Add measures by the indicator paper. Level 1 is the left LED. Level 2 is the second LED. Level 3 is the third LED. And level 4 is the fourth LED, of course. If you set the right water, then press the water running button to activate the menu and store, of course. The machine is now reprogrammed with a new water hardness setting. A new one, press and hold the left key, then you can see the hardness level of your water. And after this, use the Eco button to set the level of your hardness water for your machine. Easy going, as you can see, and you only have to program this 1 time. And if the water level is changed, you have to reprogram it. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.